Let's have a brief overview of what you have studied in this lecture. Today, we have discussed the different types of report in detail. Let's see how many types of report are there. The two major categories are formal and informal. Informal reports are usually short in length and deal with everyday problems and issues. Its different types are sales activity, credit report, progress report, literature review, feasibility report, financial report, and personal evaluation. Formal reports are a complex form of report, long and detailed, and is a written account of a major project. Its different categories are informational, analytical, recommendation. There are some additional forms of report that are narrative report, specialized report, accident report, and non-chronological report.